Flight following. You'd rather fly blind than talk to ATC? Interesting choice. It's that free, incredibly useful service where real, radar-equipped professionals help you avoid turning your cross-country into a high-speed bumper car rally. But sure, go ahead, be a lone wolf. No advisories, no traffic alerts, no clue. You're basically running a self-guided how close can I get tour through busy airspace. Use your radio. It works better than guesswork. Flight following equals VFR radar traffic advisories from ATC. It means a controller is watching your blip on a radar and giving you traffic calls, helping you avoid TFRs, restricted airspace, terrain, and maybe even your own bad decisions. No, it's not IFR. You're not getting separation, but it's better than flying through a Bravo shelf with your fingers crossed and your NTSB on delay. This is the one government service that works flawlessly. And you're like, nah, I'll squawk VFR and just wing it. That's not cowboy flying, that's amateur hour. ATC wants to help you, but you've got to sound like you know what you're doing. Number one, look up the right frequency. Usually a Tracon or center. It's on the sectional, for flight, chart supplement. You do know how to read a sectional, right? Number two, be in the air. Don't call while taxiing. You ain't radar contact if you're still petting the taxiway lights. 3, have your info ready. Know your position, altitude, destination, and aircraft type. Here are some common rookie screw-ups. Calling unprepared. I think I'm west of something. No, you're not. Speak up. Sound confident. Forgetting your transponder code. They'll give you one. Write it down. Say it back. It's 4 digits. You can handle it. Leaving frequency without saying a word. Tell them if you're leaving. Don't ghost ATC like it's a bad Tinder day. Traffic advisories, because your eyeballs suck at 120 knots. You can't see everything, especially not that Cirrus doing mock Jesus descending out of the sun at your 1 o'clock. ATC can. They'll call it out. Traffic, 2 o'clock. Same altitude. You know what's fun? Flying into a temporary flight restriction and getting intercepted by jets or grilled by the FAA over why you can't read NOTAMs. Know what avoids that? Flight following. Controllers will straight up warn you before you do something stupid. Terrain and airspace alerts, because not every hill has Wi-Fi. Flying near mountains, near MOAs, near Bravo shelves that look kinda low on your iPad. ATC will help steer you clear, because the Class B shelf doesn't care that you were just under it. You weren't. You were in it. The only search and rescue you want is the one you don't need. If you go down while squawking 1200 with no flight following, it's anyone's guess where you were. Hope you packed snacks. With flight following, you know your last position, altitude, and heading. You get found faster and not by a hiker with a GoPro. Real-time sanity checks, because everyone needs a voice of reason. Got a weird altitude restriction? Confused by Class C entry? Need clarification on that restricted area you're skirting? You can ask ATC. You're literally talking to professionals whose job it is to keep airplanes from kissing each other mid-air. Use them. But what if they say no? Yeah, sometimes they're too busy. That's fine. You still tried. Trying shows you're a professional. Not trying shows you're a future NTSB talking point. You're out here with a whole ATC infrastructure ready to make your flight safer, smoother, and smarter. And you're out here raw dogging Class E like it's the Wild Wild West. Enough. Be better. Use flight following. It doesn't make you weak. It keeps you alive. And if your radio calls suck, practice. Record yourself. Do chair flying. I don't care. Just don't be the guy saying, I don't know how to ask. After a near miss, be better. That's all I'm asking. Flight following. You'd rather fly blind than talk to ATC? No, that's an interesting choice.